The 2018 GMC Sierra 2500 HD all-mountain concept, with tank-like tracks to help it navigate rugged snow-covered terrain, has been presented at Vail Mountain Ski Resort, Colorado. The truck has rubber tanks tracks, and GMC claims that the vehicle can tackle steep slopes and extreme weather conditions. The vehicle also has bodyside graphics of mountains, underbody and wheel well LED lights, as well as snowboard racks, making it ideally suited for snow sport enthusiasts and snowy mountain dwellers. The truck combines the power of a 6.6-liter turbo diesel V8 engine and first-class interior appointments of the Sierra 2500 HD Denali 4WD crew cab platform. To help drivers navigate in the dark, the truck has a rigid E-Series 30-inch light bar for the front of the truck, providing 50,000+ hours of LED headlight lifespan with instant on or off. The all-mountain concept has Allison 1006-speed automatic transmission built for on-road trucks. According to GMC, the truck will remain on display at Vail for the winter season as part of an exclusive partnership announced earlier this year with Vail Resorts. The Sierra all-mountain concept is perfectly suited for the outdoor activities offered at Vail properties, said Rich Latek, director of GMC Marketing